For number 18, it asks you for the perimeter. You have to remember that perimeter means to add all sides. No matter how many sides you have to add all of them together. So you're going to put 6.2, 6.2, 6.2, and 6.2. If you had a pentagon that had 5 sides, you would add 6.2, 6.2, 6.2, 6.2, and 6.2 for the 5th side. So now I have 2, 4, 6, 8 goes here. 6 plus 6 is 12. This 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. So 24.8. Here, even though this has miles, 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 and miles, when you're adding, you just keep it, excuse me, as miles. So 24.8 miles is your answer for number 18. Number 19 says that you have this shape. We don't know if it's a rectangle or a square. You just know that this side is 11 miles, this side is C. The area, which is the area in which is the inside, is 132 miles squared. Remember, area is only squared. So 132 miles squared. In order to get the area, this number times this number is equal to the area. Remember, area is to multiply 2 numbers only. So this 11 miles times something else will give us 132 miles squared. So what number times 11 will give us 132? In order to find that out, we have to do the opposite and do 132 divided by 11. So I'm going to put 132 here divided by 11 to find that out. And remember, we're going to write the multiples of 11. So 11, 22, 33. Which one of these multiples is closest to the number 1? None of them. Which one of these multiples is closest to the number 13? The number 11. Because this is really equal to 11 times 1, 11 times 2, 11 times 3. So this 11 goes here, and the 1 goes up here, because 11 times 1 gave us 11. So now we subtract. We divided, we multiplied, now we subtract. 3 minus 1 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. The last step is bring down the 2. So now we see the multiple 22, which goes here, and then the number that we multiplied to get it, which is 2. So 2 goes here. So 12, this length right here, is equal to 12. But 12 what? What are the 12 what? What are the units? If this is miles, this also has to be miles, because area is the only thing that's miles squared. So your answer for number 19 is 12 miles. And last is number 20. That says you have a rectangle, and it says it's 234 kilometers squared. You know that the base is 18 kilometers, and you want to know the height. The height is how tall something is. That's how we know this is the height. So in order to find the area of the rectangle also, it's a 1 number times 1 number, which is equal to the area. Same thing. So we know 18 kilometers go here. We're trying to find out what number for the height we can multiply it by in order to get 234 kilometers squared. And again, we have to do the opposite, which is to divide 234 divided by 18. We're going to start by writing the multiples of 18 here. So we have 18, let's say 18 plus 18 is 36. So what multiple is closest to the number 2? None. What multiple is closest to the number 23? 18. So we put 18 here. So that's 18 times 1. So 1 times 18 is 18. You subtract. I have $3. You want 8 from me. I can't give that to you. I'll go next door, borrow 1. put my 1 here. So that's 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That's 5. Bring down my 4. So we have 36. What is 36 and 18? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Put a 4, got 3, 4, 5, 54. So we have 54, which is 18 times 3. So 3 goes here. So 13, what is the height? Kilometers. So 13 kilometers, 13 kilometers, however you want to pronounce it, is the answer. Thank you.